So the day again has belonged to the bears because for most part of the trading session we were trading in the red zone. That is how we are ending the day as well. 19,550. The advanced decline ratio too was favoring the declines, and there were a lot of jagged edges when it comes to the mid cap and small cap indices too, because they too are going home a bit tempered, just around that flat line, but nonetheless a pressure coming in as far as the broader markets are concerned as well. Sectorally speaking, it was metals that continued to shine today. So that index was up around 0.6%, and then that big jump on Z Entertainment, 16% higher as far as the entertainment is concerned, and that took the entire media basket high by around 6 percentage points. Of course, it's the biggest single day gain that we have seen in the many months for Z Entertainment. On the back foot, however, was FMCG. So Marico, Britannia, Tata Consumers, Nestle, these were the stocks which ended in the red. And then banking names, they were coming under a lot of pressure, as we were highlighting. The incremental CRR did not help their case. So whether it was a EU Small Finance Bank, Kotak Bank, PSU banks, they were all coming under pressure. Even Maharashtra Bank, Bank of India, no respite in sight as far as the banking names are concerned. A lot of result reactions as well. So right from Rock Engineering, which was up 10%, Force Motors, Jubilant Farm, Manappuram Finance. You also had Trent, which was high by around 6%, and 3M India also goes home with a gain of around 5%. KPR Mill, that result reaction and buyback support also favored the stock. On the losing side, Granules was down a solid 7%. Prestige saw a bit of downgrade from a couple of brokerages, 5% lower on that one. And then other names like Bata, Pidilite, Metro, Biocon, they were also a bit sluggish. So not much really to talk about in terms of the market mood, because it continues to be very sideways, stuck in that 19,500 to 600.
Yeah, absolutely. And Z clearly was the big star performer today, almost a 16% surge, over 15% actually is where it's finally settled in at 281 on the stock. MFSL, another over 8% move on the stock. Brilliant of a move coming in for Trent on two consecutive trading sessions. First the earnings and then the follow through that one has seen today. Over a 5.5% move on Trent. Page Industries, interestingly ahead of its numbers, or rather the numbers are today in fact 3% higher. India Cements up about almost 5%. I stand corrected. Page numbers are out. A good earnings reaction there. But one must also, point out the weak links in the market. Besides all the large caps that Anisha highlighted, there was also Granules. Again, earnings reaction there. Pidilite, Bata, MGL. These were some of the sour points from within the broader end of the market. But not bad. Less than 0.5% lower is where we're shutting shop. Holding on to that 19,500 print. For now, it's a good buy from Anisha and me.